pour it. You hold that.
How do you get back? That stuff's hot.
That's the whole idea.
We have 2 generous pies here. We're going to make them joy. My dad's going to pour the strawberry side. We're making strawberry pie, oh yeah. Strawberry pie.
Gracie. It's enough, sweetie, okay? You don't want to act a fool.
You can see that one very
Okay,
close.
I already put everything on there.
He's stirred it. Now he's... Make sure you have
What do
gloves.
that's left over?
I usually just put it into some Tupperware. I shouldn't have too much left over, believe it or not.
Okay, other one.
It'll once it goes in there, it'll roll down, but then it turns to a jelly type. So
Hey, it's time for the other one.
I'm getting the other one here. Okay. And then when these are all ready to go, then I'll put the whipped topping on the top. See, the whole reason why you need the pie mixture so it hardens up. Now this time, the first batch I always make full strawberries. Second batch I won't do that with.
He's making some strawberries.
See, and the reason why you got to cook the strawberries in there is so they tenderize. You don't want a hard strawberry. You want to make sure when you take your fork through the strawberry.
This is my hand waving.
Where?
Wave hand.
That's okay. As long as it stays inside the thing, okay? As long as it goes underneath there, because then it'll turn to jelly. Now when I come back, I'll put those in the refrigerator.
You'll come back.
Okay?
So
And if you want to put that into a Tupperware, Dan, okay?
Tupperware.
Yeah, like small Tupperware. Okay,
do you
Grace.
know how to snap?
Huh? Do I know how to snap?